Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today we'll make 3D swimming pool phone anti-stress desk decor. Oh my gosh, so yeah, let's start. Here's my box, it's from Ferrara Candies. Of course, I'll use the deeper part. Usually swimming pools are tiled, so I printed out this picture, sticking it to the box to 3 sides. The fourth one will remain clear to watch through. There are some icons usually kept at the bottom. I stick a tape to them on both sides. Here we have icons. So let's paint there with the marker. Attaching it to the box. You don't necessarily need to print the font plate, it's okay to just draw it. Anyway, countersage the plate on white cardboard or sheet of foam. Done! Decorate it using paints. Paint a button and make a black bezel. And when the paint dries, stick it to the box. And one more stripe here. Great! I suggest to paint the bottom blue, and while it's drying, let's make a duck. What a pool without a duck? Using clay or modeling mass, make an oval, like this. Put a ball of the same material on top, and form a beak using orange mass. The eyes left. Use white clay to make a ladder, rolling and cutting. 2 long strings and many short ones. Join the prepared parts together. Make the ends round from one side. Here comes the best, icons. To begin with, stick some tape to both sides of the printout. And then cut. As the base, you can use the styrofoam, wood or cork. Whatever you choose, the idea is the same. Slice the cubes, paint it with icon-like paint, and when it dries, stick the printout on one side using super glue. Now we have floating icons. What would I use to get them out? Yes, it's time for the nettle. Take a bottleneck ring. Glue a handle, it can be a straw or some sort of stick. Feel free to paint it. Then take a net, for example from a bathing sponge, and glue from the inside. I slightly paint water and pour it into the container. Now let all the elements float. You may ask, how come this thing can come one down? Well, try to arrange icons the way you want. Or let inside an anarchy duck that is going to break the order and bring chaos. It's great, can say no more.